Can't handle tight valves? Well, we have a solution for you. We'd like to introduce our new extended handle for our cordless power drive. The benefit of our new extended handle is to get more leverage out of your tool. Additionally, the tool has better balance with 2 people operating it. If you want to extend the handle for more leverage, you simply unscrew the screw, then you slide it down, and you tighten the screw, and now it's ready for 2 people to operate. It's safer for 2 people to operate it when the valve is hard to open. You've seen the handle being used with 2 men, but it can also be used with a 1-man operation. There you have it. The tool is now available at your local REED distributor.